बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप बच्चे हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं प्रेपरेशन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड्स और आज हम साथ डिस्कस करेंगे स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकैटाइन। दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। नाउ बच्चे वी हैव टू डिफरेंट मेथड्स फॉर प्रेपरेशन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड्स। नंबर 1 फ्रॉम अल्केन्स। ये बच्चे हम पढ़ के आए थे कि व्हेन अल्केन्स रिएक्टिंग बाय हैलोजेंस यूज क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन in the presence of diffuse sunlight, ultraviolet light or heat. Here this Cl2 bond break to form chlorine free radical. Now this one chlorine free radical attacks on carbon and remove hydrogen to form CH3Cl along with HCl. ये बचा आपका free radical substitution to prepare alkyl halides from alkanes. Now second one is if we use एनी एल्केन आप यूज कर लो रिएक्टिंग बाय ब्रोमीन और क्लोरीन अंडर द सिमिलर कंडीशंस डिफ्यूज सनलाइट, योर आंसर इज ब्रोमोइथेन। वन ब्रोमीन अटैक्स ऑन एनी कार्बन एंड रिमूव हाइड्रोजन टू फॉर्म HBr। ये बच्चे आपके पास डिफरेंट मेथड हैं फ्रॉम अल्केन्स टू प्रिपेयर अल्काइल हैलाइड्स। सेकेंड मेथड टू प्रिपेयर अल्काइल हैलाइड फ्रॉम अल्कोहल्स। Preparation from alcohols. Now there are three different methods. Number 1, reaction of alcohol with halogen acids or hydrogen halides by using zinc chloride as a catalyst. In this reaction we take alcohol CH3CH2OH. you take any alcohol reacting by halogen acid, आप कोई सा बच्चे यूज कर लो, by using zinc chloride as catalyst. It is your nucleophilic substitution. This Cl attacks on carbon and remove OH with this hydrogen. Loss of water by introduction of nucleophile, that is Cl. So your answer is CH3CH2Cl by the loss of water. तो ये बच्चे आपके पास preparation है. If we take any other alcohol like CH3CH2 CH2OH, हम यहाँ बच्चे OH प्लेस कर देते हैं. Reacting by halogen acid like HBr by using the similar condition zinc chloride. Now your answer is again OH remove and Br attacks. You got 2 bromopropane. This bromine attacks on second carbon by replacing OH. This is called nucleophilic substitution by the loss of water again. Now the second method is by using thionyl chloride. Formula for thionyl chloride is SOCl2. In this reaction we use alcohol like CH3CH2OH reacting by SOCl2. अगर मैं इसको ओपन कर लूँ, we got SOCl and Cl by using pyridine. Then OH removed by this Cl. Your answer is alkyl halide CH3CH2Cl by the loss of this oxygen and this oxygen. These two oxygen combine with sulfur to form sulfur dioxide gas along with hydrogen chloride gas. तो ये बच्चा आपका HCl गैस बनेगा. This Cl attacks in place of OH act as nucleophile. तो बच्चा आपका जो alkyl halide है that is your liquid product and these are the gaseous product. In these reactions both products are liquid, so this is the best method to prepare alkyl halide. It is because that the byproducts are gases and you got pure alkyl halide, pure liquid. Here there are two mixture of liquid, तो आपको इन्हें separate करने के लिए फिर दोबारा experiments करने पड़ेंगे. You got distillation methods. That's why it is the best method to prepare alkyl halides from alcohols. The reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halides, बच्चा आप कोई सा यूज कर लें, PX3 और PX5 means PCl3, PBr3 और PCl5 और PBr5. आप कोई भी यूज कर लो. It is ethyl alcohol suppose reacting by PCl3. Your answer is this OH replaced by the chlorine. Your answer is alkyl halide again CH3CH2Cl by the formation of phosphorus acid H3PO3. अगर आप इसको बैलेंस करते हो, देयर आर 3 क्लोरीन्स, तो आपको यहाँ बच्चे 3 लगाना पड़ेगा, एंड नाउ 3 शुड बी हियर एज वेल, एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज नाउ बैलेंस्ड. If we use phosphorus pentachloride or pentabromide, आप बच्चे कोई भी यूज कर लो, PCl5, then you got this OH replaced by Cl. Your answer is CH3CH2Cl by the formation of PoCl3 and HCl. Again, this is your liquid, this is your liquid, this is gas. It is liquid as well. It means out of the 3 method of preparation, the best method is preparation from thionyl chloride. कई बच्चे आपके पास preparation थी in our syllabus from alcohols and from alkanes to prepare alkyl halides. Now we have very important topic, the stability of carbocation. Stability of carboniamine or carbocation. The carbon that contain positive charge is called carbocation or carboniamine as well. So that is very important concept and very important theme for the reactivity or the reactions. बच्चे हम first discuss करते हैं how carbocations are formed. So we take the simplest example. कार्बन के पास 3 हाइड्रोजन है, 1 is halogen there. The carbocation is formed when this chlorine absorb both the electron. अगर दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने साथ ले जाएगी, ये बच्चे बनेगा Cl नेगेटिव आयन, मीन्स एनाइंस, एंड द पॉजिटिव आयंस जिसमें आपके कार्बन पे प्लस चार्ज है, सो इट इज कॉल्ड कार्बोकैटायन. मीन्स कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो गया, क्लोरीन टेक बोथ इलेक्ट्रॉन, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड मिथाइल कार्बोकैटायन. मिथाइल कार्बोकैटायन. Now we have different examples of carbocation. अच्छा, अगर आपके पास कार्बन प्लस के पास अगर आपके तीनों कार्बन बॉन्ड बना रहे हो, मीन there are 3 methyl, then this is called tertiary carbocation. If the cation of carbon contain 2 carbon directly attached with the positive charge of carbon, then this is called secondary carbocation. And if there is 1 carbon with positive charged carbon atom, then this carbocation is called primary carbocation. So these are the different types of cations: tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation and primary carbocation. तो बच्चे हमारे पास टॉपिक है stability of carbocation. That is very very important. In order to discuss stability of carbocation, बच्चे कुछ बातें आपके ज़हन में होनी चाहिए. That is hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation, also named as no bond resonance. The conditions for hyperconjugation is if carbocation contain hydrogen on alpha carbon. अगर आपके alpha carbon पे हाइड्रोजन present है, then this is called alpha hydrogen, and this hydrogen is responsible for hyperconjugation. It is also called the resonance through sigma bond. अगर आपका resonance, अगर आपकी चार्ज की स्टेबिलिटी सिग्मा बॉन्ड में आ जाए, then this concept is called hyperconjugation. In case of tertiary carbocation, अगर हम बात करते हैं जी tertiary carbocation की, 3 degree carbocation, in this case the positive carbon directly attached with 3 methyl or 3 alkyl groups. If we discuss hyperconjugation, अगर बच्चे आप इसको ओपन कर लें like CH, H and H, the resonance through sigma bond is called hyperconjugation, represented by the resonance arrow. This bond shifting here, and आपके कार्बोकैटायन के 4 बॉन्ड पूरे हो गए, डबल बॉन्ड and single bond CH3, single bond CH3, and this carbon break the bond with hydrogen. These 2 H remain as such, and this H contain positive charge. This is called hyperconjugation or no bond resonance, because carbocation को stable करने के लिए this bond shifting here. In next structure, this bond shifting here means resonance through sigma bond. Bonds का move करना, charge का move करना, that is called hyperconjugation. Double bond with carbon, this bond is formed and this bond is broken between carbon and hydrogen. And then the next resonance structure is this bond shifting here, double bond C, H is there, and this bond is broken to form positive charge. ये बच्चे आपके बने 3 resonating Harper conjugating structures. This procedure was repeated for this carbon and for this carbon. It means there are 6 more Harper conjugated structure. Harper conjugated structure. इसका बच्चा मतलब ये हुआ टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन में 9 रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स पॉसिबल हैं. अगर आप इस बात को ध्यान में रखो और कंपेयरिंग करो फॉर द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन इन द सिमिलर रिस्पेक्ट, ये बच्चा आपका अल्फा कार्बन, दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन एज वेल एंड दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन एज वेल. तो बच्चे यहाँ हमारे पास देयर आर 9 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स. इट मींस देयर आर 9 पॉसिबल हाइपर कंजुगेटेड स्ट्रक्चर. 3 बना बच्चा आपके सामने बनाए, 3 इसके बनेंगे और 3 इसके बनेंगे, तो टोटल देयर आर 9 रेजोनेंस हाइपर कंजुगेटेड स्ट्रक्चर. इन केस ऑफ सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन, 2 carbon directly attached with the positive charged carbon and 1 hydrogen is there. Now it contains 3 and 3, 6 alpha hydrogens. It means there are 6 possible hyper conjugating structure. जितने आपके अल्फा एच होंगे उतने रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर बनते हैं. अगर आप ये बात ध्यान में रखें. Now the question is justify stability of carbocation. Is tertiary carbocation more stable than secondary carbocation and the primary carbocation is the least stable? You have to give justification for this. बच्चे यहाँ पे एक बात ध्यान में रखनी है that stability of carbocation depends upon number of hyper conjugated structure. और बच्चे ये डिपेंड करता है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन पे. जिस कार्बोकैटायन में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन ज्यादा होंगे मींस मोर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स मोर स्टेबल इज कार्बोकैटायन, मोर स्टेबल इज कार्बोकैटायन. इन टर्शियरी कार्बोकैटायन देयर आर 3 अल्फा कार्बन and that contain 9 alpha hydrogen because each carbon contain 3 alpha hydrogens. Similarly, secondary carbocation contains 6 alpha hydrogens and primary carbocation contains 3 alpha hydrogens. It means tertiary carbocation contain more hyperconjugated structure and it is more stable. So the answer is in tertiary carbocation there are 9 hyperconjugated structure. In secondary carbocation there are 6 hyperconjugated structure and in primary carbocation there are only 3 hyperconjugated structure. It means tertiary carbocation is more stable and primary carbocation is the least stable. और बच्चे एक बात और ध्यान में रखना, here inductive effect also increase the stability of carbocation. In case of tertiary carbocation the alkyl group is electron donating. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करेगा towards the carbocation, towards the positive charge of carbocation. और जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ज़्यादा मिलेंगे उतना इसका पॉजिटिव आयन स्टेबल हो जाएगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट tertiary carbocation is again more stable. It is because there are 3 alkyl groups that donate electron pair towards carbon and stabilize the carbocation. In case of secondary carbocation there are 2 alkyl groups and 1 is hydrogen. Here these 2 alkyl donate electron towards carbon and make it stable as well, but here positive inductive effect mean electron donating inductive effect for 3 alkyl are greater as compared to 2 alkyl and primary carbocation is least stable by inductive effect. ये बच्चे आप ध्यान में रखोगे. ये हमारे पास सेकंड फैक्टर है. Inductive effect also suggests that tertiary carbocation is more stable as compared to secondary, which is more stable than primary carbocation. So both this factor, hyperconjugation and inductive effect, justify that tertiary carbocation is more stable than both secondary and primary carbocation. तो आज हम इसको यहाँ पर एंड करेंगे regarding stability of carbocation.